Number 1. First, the speaker says to the listener, "Let's start Greenwich." She says to remain seated until the train had come to a complete stop, and she says, "Say good on passengers not to stand up until they had stopped at the station, because such would for some our safety." She said to check around some seats to make sure they had left nothing behind. Finally, she asked them for riding the commuter rail service and has a pleasant trip. Number 2. First speaker said to the listener, "Welcome to Ranking Theatre." She asked that night's performance were open show of some 25th season. She asked as a courtesy to tell about them. Members of the audience were asked to turn up on cell phone, pictures, and recording device before the show began. She said the use of cameras was not permitted, whereas the actor was on tape. Finally, she told that in blue videos and digital cameras, and she says information on upcoming show were available in the lobby. Number 3. First speaker said to the listener, "They had reached the voicemail as Martin's was, and he was at a raised from his desk out of the office." She says, "If they could like to my apartment, please press on to speak with his assistant." He asked outright, waited for the speech, and leave a messenger. Finally, he thought he would return some calls as soon as he could. Number 4. First speaker said to the listener, "Flight 15 was ready for boarding," and he asked all passengers to be lined at the gate, and he had some boarding pass ready to show the flight attendant. He asked let a flight attendant know if they were traveling with small children or need special assistance boarding the plane. He asked if they carried on space were too large. They might be asked to check them. Finally, he asked they could like to remind them that were of no smoking supply. Number 5. First speaker said to the listener, "A traffic accident downtown were causing major delays on several main roads," and she asked drivers were asked to avoid no side streets. He said to use constitutions avenues in the most right downtown. Events on constitutions events, however, they must still experience some delay. Finally, he asked officials expect the delay to last for several hours. Number 6. First speaker said to the listener, "Thanks for calling Carway Computer," and she asked they valued some con. She asked on the floor line was busy. Then she told if they wanted to reach technical support, help and their own 756 345 and she said if they wish to speak to the customer service representative, please stay on the line, and some calls would be answered in turn. Finally, she said to rise them. To rise them, there were a square of approximately 5 minutes. Number 7. First, the speaker said to the listener, Greenfield was just by a hurricane last week that lost millions of dollars of property made in this way. She says thousands of people have been left homeless and could expect to spend several weeks living off shelter. She told some to the city were seeking donations of food and clothing for hurricane victims. Finally, she said, if they would like to help, please send some donation to the Springfield Rescue Committee. Number 8. First speaker said to the listener, he was happy to introduce Mrs. Jackson, who had just joined some staff on the news mentor assistant. And she asked our staff member to help her out during her first few days there. As they learned her office routine, finally she asked she knew some words already to help her feel welcome to some office, and she appreciated some cooperations in that matter. Number 9. First speaker said to the listener, a tennis stopped and she asked the fire alarm certain words being tested that morning. She thought they might hear the alarm go off several times in the course of the morning, and she asked, when they hear the alarm, please remain calm. She told them there was no need to leave the building and to avoid using the elevator. She asked Jack continued with some usual routine. Finally, she asked them for their attention. Number 10. First speaker said to the listener, if the driver of the right car would that was pass near the pedestrian and entrance please move some car, because he says there was bus illegally and illegally. He says they need to move some cars immediately, or it could be tested and stored. He says they could pass in the visitor parking areas that were located near the front of the building. Finally, he asked the parking areas by the space entrance were for deliveries vehicle only.